Have you felt that you are very busy every day, but at the end of the day, you just feel that you have not accomplished anything important? Then you want to learn about this PDCA management method. I've been using this PDCA for more than 20 over years. Now, what does this PDCA helps me? It helps me to focus and helps me to plan my work well. And I also use that to help me solve problems. So PDCA stands for P for plan. So first thing, you got to plan what you're going to do. For example, start of the day, what you want to do for today, plan it out. Like for me, I love to plan every week. So I'll plan my whole week. Then every day, I'll just spend like 5-10 minutes to go through my plan and plan what I'm going to do for the day. D stand for do, right? After you plan, quickly take actions. Don't overthink, take actions and do it. So after do, you got to check. Yeah. So you check and review what you have done, whether it meets your plan or not. If it's not, then we will move into the A, which stands for act, means that what is the corrective actions? What are things that you're going to react so that tomorrow or the next week, you're going to be better, right? So that you can do and meet what you plan. So this is the whole simple concept of P, D, C, and A. Now try it today and then do it every day. And you can teach your people how to do that, especially if you're managers or leaders. Then you will see your work will become better. Now, if you're interested to learn more about how to use PDCA in your problem solving or to help your team to solve problems, do leave a comment right below.